Alright guys, and here we are back at the one of the two light sets. You can see that the new lights are up now here, as you can see, but this particular set doesn't have the what I call the rods installed yet. You know, that's that vertical thing right there that that they eventually get to. What they do is they put the lights on first, get them all set up, and then eventually they put the rods on to make them all equal level, since, you know, spans naturally have a sag on them. But as you can see here, everything's all good. You can probably see behind the cluster turn signal, if I zoom in a little bit here, you can see that the new left turn signal is behind that, and it is indeed RYG, so I was correct about that. So that's what it's going to be when the time comes, and you can see this particular intersection doesn't have a no turn. A no U-turn, so I don't think they're going to apply that to this one. As you can see, the lower cable still is not up yet, but they'll eventually get to that when the time comes, as always. But for right now, this is what they have. I'll give you a shot of the two poles there once again. Something else I wanted to mention. I'm trying to remember what the hell it was. Oh yeah, and then also, you can see there's also only 2 mains on this one instead of, you know, 3. So again, I don't think this particular road is going to have the lanes widened or lanes added, whatever I'm trying to say there. But just for now, here's this particular set right here. Everything's going up pretty well. I'm assuming probably this week or whatever they're going to put the rods on, get this more set up correctly. But as you can see, they have made good progress on it. So here's the first set, as you've all seen, and now let's head on over to the other set, and we'll see a couple things there. See you from there. And here we are, guys. We're here now over at the second set. As you can see, this one is much more put together now. You can see that the lower cable is up, the rods are up, all the lights are up, as you can see. If you look over here, you can see that they put the new no U-turn sign up, and they removed the one from the old set, as you can see. So the upper cable is now unused, at least until the second's taken down, probably this week or so. I mean, considering for the most part this new set is pretty much put together, I'm thinking maybe this week they're going to switch it over and activate this new one. Obviously I'm not sure. I never asked the workers what the schedules are or whatever, and also, and again, it depends on how ready the control panel is. But as you can see, it's definitely up well. There's a main right there, a main there, and then there's the left turn signal. As you can see, it is RYG, like I said. So it's always nice when I get stuff like that correct. And as you can see, the parking lot will still have the right turn arrows, as you can see. So I'm happy to see that. And you can see the security camera over there. And basically, it's been assembled pretty well. It's currently not obviously not going yet. There's a new pole still pretty far away. So, but not too much else, I guess. I guess a longer video will be made once this new set goes on. Again, I think it's going to be this week, but I'm not sure. I usually make my videos during the weekends because usually the roads aren't that crowded, it's less busy, and there's usually not too many things going on. And I guess that's it, basically. Another update video, but as you can see, they've made really good progress with this light set. Again, it's pretty much all together, but it's just not activated yet. So once the switchover happens, which again I think will be this week, we'll see what happens. If not, then maybe I'll make a video the weekend after that. But expect a follow-up video when I have the chance. But just here it is for now, looking all good, and yeah, that's basically it. Unless I want to keep repeating myself. But anyway, guys, there's the next video update for you guys, and thanks a lot for watching. And we'll make an update video when it gets activated. Thanks a lot, and take care.